We divide 513 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 1. So again we put down this 1 and it is 11. 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 1. Again we put down this 3 and it is 13. 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take care of decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 513 divided by 2 is 256 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.